Okay guys, this is JBL Xtreme 4. This is next level massive JBL Pro Sound, up to 24 hours playtime plus 6 hours with playtime boost. Convenient strap. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this to your laptop via Bluetooth. This speaker is powerful, deserves your attention with AI sound boost, waterproof and dustproof multi-speaker connection with Urecast. What we want to do is we need to first of all go to your switch this on. You switch it on from the center button here, then select Bluetooth, and they will start looking for available Bluetooth device. Go to your laptop settings, select Bluetooth and devices, switch the Bluetooth on, then select add a device, select Bluetooth. It will start to look for available Bluetooth device. This device is JBL Xtreme 4. JBL Xtreme 4 is available. You need to select on it and it's connected. Select done. Now the next we need to do is we need to go to Epidemic Sound. This is the audio. This is Sasa.
too long. I thought she was over you, but I guess I was wrong. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. She thought she I wake up in the morning with someone new. I wanna do the things they say we shouldn't do. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. Their love like it's a prison, break the rules. I wanna wake up in the morning. I'm feeling stuck, and I don't know which way to run. I'm on a settled path, a one-way road, and I can't take it anymore. I started, I can't stop it, stop it, stop it. I'm done with it and lonely, lonely, lonely. I know there's more than working, working, working. So go ahead and show me now. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. I wanna do the things they say we shouldn't do. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. It feels like it's a prison, break the rules. I wanna wake up in the I just wanna dance and lose control. Get me to London or Tokyo. My
We collide, we break down, caving in to our doubts. Faces filled with sadness. When words are said, we'll regret. I can see the fire that we made just to save us. When we try to make up, we're never letting go. Said the things we promised not to say, that we break up just to start all over, even though we know.
This is beautiful, powerful stuff. Nice speaker that deserves your attention. Thank you.